Today we're going to take a look at the 2022 Boston Whaler 325 Conquest. This boat's lightly used and is powered by a pair of Mercury 300 Verados. It has the optional sure shade, radar, has an aft light well. It also has the rear grille, footstep, and then 2 storage doors. Side entry door as well as a stern door. Rear seat, swim ladder. It's also a deck table, 2 fish boxes on either side. Weather enclosure. Your refrigerator, sink area. Helm. Boat does have joystick. Optional spotlight. There's Linko trim tabs, Fusion stereo system. It's the upgraded system. Port side lounger. This table will drop and a filler cushion can go in there. Make it one big bed. VHF radio, latches. Also has the cushions for the bow area up there.